Hi kids, I'm Laura from the library and today we are going to read the book together but at distance. Remember that it is important to stay at home and stay safe and together with your family. Okay? Get ready for this story. The story is Little Cat and the Snow. Let's begin with the story of Little Cat and the Snow. The author is Franz, Rosell, and Constanze Kitzing. Are you ready? Okay, I hope and you enjoy it with me. Little Cat and Rabbit were friends. They always played together. Sometimes they played at Little Cat's house, and sometimes they played at Rabbit's house. Okay, we have two characters here, the rabbit and the cat, and they are friends. Don't stay inside all day. Go and play outside, said Mommy Cat. And the two friends went to play in the street. That day, there was a lot of snow. Rabbit was wearing her thick white coat, and Little Cat was wearing his thick black coat. It was cold, but they were nice and warm. So they went outside to play together. I love playing in the snow, said Rabbit. Let's make a snowman, said Little Cat. We can't make a snow rabbit. He'll eat up the carrot on his nose, laughed Rabbit. We can't make a snow cat either. He'll be sad if he can't move his tail, said Little Cat. Anyway, the snow was too slushy to make a snowman. Shall we play hide and seek? Said Little Cat. Oh yes, I love that game, said Rabbit. So they are going to play hide and seek. Little Cat hid first. He hid behind a big pile of snow. He was wearing his black coat, so Rabbit soon found him. So they were playing, remember, hide and seek. But first, the cat hid behind a big pile of snow, right? Let's see what's going to happen with them. Then it was Rabbit's turn. He hid behind a big pile of snow. He was wearing her white coat, so she became nearly invisible. Why? The snow is white, and Rabbit and her coat are white too. So for the cat, it was difficult to find the rabbit. Where is the rabbit? Little Cat searched and searched, but didn't find her until she started laughing. That's not funny, complained Little Cat. You are too wide to play in the snow. Let's play indoors. We can't. Your mommy told us to play outdoors, said Rabbit. We can't go to the basement. Nobody will know we are there, said Little Cat. Great, I love basements, said Rabbit. So then they are going to play outside. Where? In the basement. The basement was a great place for playing hide and seek. It was full of old furniture and it was always very dark. They still kept the cold from the times of great-great-grandpa Cat. Now it was Little Cat who became nearly invisible, and Rabbit couldn't find him. That's not good, sighed Little Cat. I'm too black to play in the basement, and you are too white to play in the snow. So, who can tell me where is the cat? Little Cat and Rabbit walked out of the basement. Now, Rabbit wasn't so white. She was covered in coal dust. And then it started to snow. Suddenly, Little Cat wasn't so black. He was covered in snowflakes. Finally, they could play hide and seek. Sometimes Little Cat found Rabbit, and sometimes Rabbit found Little Cat. The two of them were the same, white as snow and black as coal. Now that was fun. The end. Yes, kids, very good. We finished the story Little Cat and the Snow. So I have some questions for you about the story. Do you like to play hide and seek with your friends, or what kind of games do you like to play with them? And do you like this story? Okay, remember, try to read this story again with your parents if you have the opportunity. Okay, remember that it's important to stay at home and stay safe. Keep reading. I miss you all. Bye.